I'm fixing to show you how to throw together an all-natural expedient shelter. Just in case you don't have a tarp or any kind of other shelter with you, I'm going to show you real quick what you could do to get cover from the elements. What we have here is a sweet gum tree. They usually do not break whenever you bend them over. So we're going to bend this thing and stick it into the ground to make our main beam for our shelter. Now this end of the branch, we're going to sharpen it up where it'll stick into the ground. Now we're going to push this in as far as you can into the ground. This arch is going to be the opening of our shelter. So now we're going to get natural material and lay on top of this arch back this way. Now, I got the outline of the shelter. Now we need to just scrape up the leaves and the pine straw and everything and throw it on top. You need to throw it on there pretty thick. Now this shelter will give you some protection from the wind for sure, and some protection from the rain. But the thicker you have the leaves and the pine needles and all that piled up on the backside of this, the more rain protection you will get. Now all you have to do is collect you some more leaves for your bedding. Put it down and you have your nice little comfortable bed. There you go. A nice little shelter. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, follow, and share. I'll see you next time. God bless you.